can say is that they have 9 construction firms that we have seen now in the news, the 9 calling card companies of the spouses Diskaya, where they have used dummies, where they have become huge contractors, and all of these 9 companies are based in Pasig. Practically all of these companies have tax deficiencies, probably with the BIR as well, but definitely with the LGU, marami po silang violations. Recently, they have been, Mr. Diskaya has been recently convicted of 2 counts of building code violations. So, medyo notorious po ito. Nagsimula sila sa LGU. And again, with regard to the question of the chair, kahit nung mayor na ako, nangongontrata pa rin sila sa LGU. Kasi pinapatupad po namin sa Pasig ay strict adherence to the law, which is open and public bidding. So pag nagko-qualify po sila mula 2019, hindi po namin hinaharangan, may mga project po sila sa City Government of Pasig. Hindi naman siguro kalakihan na project, pero meron po silang projects with the city. And we have observed with the DPWH, palaki ng palaki yung mga project nila. Yung napag-uusapan po ngayon na 31 billion pesos flood control projects. Katunayan, flood control projects pa lang po ito. Hindi bababa sa 100 billion pesos ang total contracts po nila sa ating pamahalaan, Mr. Chair.
Siguro as a final question before proceeding, Mayor Vico Soto.